Hello and good afternoon. My name is Robin and this is my channel. So I'm a little cash today. Well, I'm a little cash every day, but we're still packing and getting ready to leave Washington. So I have a couple boxes that I'm going to film before we leave. And I'm so excited because I got a mystery box from Luxely Beauty. So I wanted to get it in before I leave. And, oops, just trying to pull you a little bit closer to let you know. They had this one, and then I think they had a smaller one for $18. And if you are new to my channel, thank you so much. I'm still trying to adjust you, so hold on. They had a smaller one, I think that was like 18. So I got the bigger one, of course. And again, if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. If you like my channel and its content, please hit that subscribe button. Tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future video. And a thumbs up if you like it. And again, if you're returning, you know how much I love you, I appreciate you, and I just love all your great comments. So let's get into this. And this is like a beauty lifestyle box, and they always have fun products. Like they do have a regular subscription box that you can get. I think it's bi-monthly that you can get, but I'll leave all that information below. And so I really don't know what's in this one. I think I did see a spoiler or two on some other YouTubers' channels, but I don't really remember everything that was in it. So you open it up, and it's full of goodies. And there is a little card in here that says, enclosed is your Luxely mystery box. Thank you for your order. Inside you will find an assortment of items from past boxes. So that's what's in here. And then the first thing is a shower cap. It's by Simplus. I can't even talk, a little too much caffeine this morning. Simphilosophy. And I'm not going to take it out. Everything is packaged so nice. It's sealed, but it is a shower cap for those days that you just want to jump in the shower but don't want to have to do your hair, kind of like today. So this is a really nice colored polka dot shower cap. So I don't think there's prices or anything in here. I haven't seen it, but I'll take this. And then we have a cute little nail file. And again, this is all nicely packaged. Oh, this is really nice. This is by Numa, and it looks like it's just a travel bag, and then you can close it up. How nice is that? It's material, so it's probably washable like on a gentle cycle. But you can put your makeup in here, travel items. So I'm really liking that because we do obviously a lot of traveling. So I'm really liking that, and I'm liking the colors. And you can put your shower cap in here. You can put your nail file in here. So far so good. And then the next thing is soaping sponge pocket. Ooh, cleanse and renew. So gently cleanse and exfoliate, softening and, of course I don't have my glasses, priming skin for moisturization. Drop in your favorite bath bar in the specialty designed soap pocket and lather. Oh, how cool is this? So there's a little thing, so I guess you stick your hand in there, and then there's a pocket for your soap, and then you just go to town. So I'm liking this. I've never seen anything like this before. Have you? And this is by Spa Sister. So I'm liking that. And again, I'm not taking this stuff out of the package because I'm going to be packing this all up, and I don't want to have like anything loose falling apart. Still so many goodies. And we have a Jade Roller. So this is Luxurious Facial Jade Crystal Roller, and I have a ton of these. So this will probably go to Chicago with me, and I'll give to my daughter or daughter-in-law. I'm sure they'll appreciate that. And then the next item is by Wow, and Wow has like the best hair care. Now I am on using Keranique for a month to try to grow my hair back. So I probably won't be using this for a while, but this is Dream Filter for Picture Perfect Color. So this is a pre-shampoo. So you spray this on your hair before you wash it. So it should help keep your color. So I am anxious to try this, but I won't be starting this until probably sometime in mid-September. So I'm always happy to get a Wow product. So far this box is definitely worth the, God, I wish I remember. I want to say it was like $28. And the next item is by Now Obey, and it's a detox, unpolluted, and it's in a different language. It's a black fossil wood mask. Now that's different. And it probably has a seal on it. Yeah, it has a seal on it, so I'm not gonna break it. But I am definitely a lover of masks, and a wood mask, yes, I will try that. And there's still so many goodies in here. Oh, what's this interesting item? This is Bedhead. Now, I have heard of Bedhead, and it's normally a hair product. And it is beach bound. And of course, being in Arizona, not too many beaches around. It's a protection spray for colored hair. Spray to protect your hair. And of course, it's in a different language. But I will definitely try that. You probably put that on after. So I am excited to try this. And what a cute little container. Still more items in here. And this looked like it kind of broke. A facial cleansing brush. And the back kind of broke here, but it didn't damage the product. So it's just a manual kind of brush. So I guess you put your lotions on, and you could, must have a soft tip, and then you can cleanse. So probably going to Chicago. I don't know how much is going to go to Chicago, because you now have to pay for a carry-on the plane. You have to pay extra for those now. So I did pay extra, but obviously it can only be so big. Oh, and we got another. I just got one in another box, but this is an anti-stress microwavable therapy eye pillow. Ooh. And I just got an eye mask in another box, but this is like, I'm going through the little hole in here, and it is so soft. This I should actually bring on the plane, and I could just stick it over my eyes, except I have no way to warm it up. So, oh, and you can use it for hot or cold. And this is, I just got one. It isn't as soft as this one though. So again, if I can't bring it to Chicago, it will go in a giveaway. Oh, and there's still a couple more items. What a great mystery box. And then we got by Orzia. It is a dewy glow balm for skin, lips, and nails. And that's what it looks like. So you can probably just put it all over, put it on your cuticles, put it on your lips. It's a nice size. So definitely something you can use. And then the last item is Milkshake. Too bad it's not edible. Milkshake whipped cream leave-in foam, no rinse conditioning and protective creamy foam for all hair types. So I'm thinking it's like a mousse, but it says it's like a conditioner. Now, as you can see, I'm never going to read anything on the back, but I'm thinking it's kind of like a mousse, but it says it is a leave-in conditioner. So, and it's no rinse. Definitely something interesting to try. So let's recap all these things we got in the box. So we got this leave-in mousse, and we got this great eye mask, and again, you can use it hot or cold. And then we got a glow bomb, so you can use it on your body, on your lips, on your nails. Then we have a cleansing brush. I can't feel it because everything's all wrapped up, but I'm sure it's pretty soft on your skin for exfoliating. And then we have our beach leave-in spray, so a lot of hair care products. Can't get mad at that. And then we got the Jade Roller, and I know these are not cheap, so we got that item. And then we got the black fossil wood mask, so I can't wait to try that. And we got this great item, so you stick your favorite soap in here and you hold it on and you can do your whole body with it. So that is very interesting. We got this gorgeous Numa travel bag. Definitely can get my use out of that. And then we got this pretty cute shower cap and a nail file. And what I'm looking forward to is this Wow Dream Filter, and it's a spray you put on before you shampoo to keep your hair color protected. So what did you think of this great mystery box? Let me know what your favorite item was in it. So as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Please hit the like button if you like this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And as always, you guys have an awesome day.